If you're new or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified for every new recipe.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tanya's Kitchen. Today's recipe is called Sambar. I know many of you are familiar with Sambar. Sambar is a South Indian dish and one of my favorite cuisines in India. Like South Indian food is like my favorite. And especially sambar, chutney, dosa, they are like just so delicious, so simple, they're easy to make, they are really quick when you make it, and they require very simple ingredients. Especially, I mean, sometimes when I don't have any groceries at home, I'm like, let's make South Indian. I just need coconut and some lentil and done. Like chutney is done, so sambar is that kind of thing. So anyways, today I'm making sambar and this is my version how I make it. I love it this way. It's super simple, super quick, very less ingredients. So let me get started and show you the ingredients. And also let me just remind you that you'll find the recipe for this dish, like the exact recipe with proportion and ingredients and directions, everything. There will be a link in the description box below which will take you to my website. You can check out the recipe, print it out, watch it on your iPad and enjoy this delicious sambar. And also don't forget to let me know how you like this recipe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Anyways, so let's get back to the ingredients. I'll show you real quick and we can get started cooking. For the ingredients, first thing we have some salt over here. This can be taken according to your level, however salty you like. I have some curry leaves. Now again, South Indian dishes cannot be made without curry leaves. They are very important. And over here I have some turmeric and some salt, some more salt. Over here I have some paprika, some coriander powder and some sambar masala. So sambar masala is also really important. This is the one that my mom gave me. It's homemade, it's fresh, that's why it has a very good fragrance. But if you don't have homemade, that's fine. You can get it at any Indian store here and make it. I have some mustard seeds, some lentils. This is Toor dal. I have a bowl mix of veggies. So over here I have some carrot, peas, tomato and one dried red chili that I cut in half over here, and they're not cooked. I have some tomato and some red onion. So, and finally I have some oil. So now let me show you what I'm gonna do next. So I have my instant pot here. I'm gonna pressure cook some of the things in here. So you will be needing a pressure cooker. I'm using my instant pot. So I'm gonna add in the lentils. Then I'm gonna add in the chopped veggies that I showed you. All of it goes in. So you can add whatever veggies you like. We prefer carrot, peas, and tomato is a must when you want to pressure cook them. And with this, I will be adding some salt and turmeric. I have divided the salts because I'll be using some salt to pressure cook this and some of the salt, like this little bit of salt over here, to saute the onions so that they lose the water properly. Just mixing it up. And to this I am going to add water. And now again, sambar is a dish which can be molded according to you. So if you like a really soupy sambar, go ahead, add extra water. If you like less soupy, you want thick sambar, use less water. We like soupy sambar, so we're gonna be using a lot of water here. So I'm just gonna pressure cook them for 7-8 minutes and I will show you then. Okay guys, so you can see my lentils and veggie mixture, they are done, they're perfect. They still have a lot of water, which I want because I like my sambar very soupy. So I'm not gonna add any more extra water right now. If I need, I'll do it in the end. But they are ready to go into this pot. So this is on high heat, and to this I'm gonna add some canola oil, that, I'm gonna add mustard seeds. I'm gonna let it splatter, but be careful because it just jump out of the pot and come out. And now to this I'm going to add some onion, and I'm gonna saute them very nicely for 4 to 5 minutes. And I'm gonna add some salt. Give it a good mix and let them saute for 4 to 5 minutes until they are transparent, translucent, and you start smelling that nice mustard smell from the mustard seeds. And I will show it to you once it reaches to that point. So you can see they have a very nice caramelization on them. And now to this I'm going to add the curry leaves. The curry leaves are gonna give such amazing flavor. I always believe that South Indian dishes cannot be made without curry leaf, and I think it is true. Let me know if I'm wrong. I can already start smelling curry leaves. Now to this I will be adding the tomatoes and saute them for 1 minute. Now to my pot I'm gonna add this spice mixture which has sambar masala, coriander and paprika. I'm gonna add all 3 of them. And mix it nicely. Now the sambar masala is gonna take this dish to some other level, which is gonna be so amazing. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Give it a mix. I'm gonna cover it with a lid and let this onion, tomato, curry leaves and the spices cook. I'm going to cover them up for 5 minutes. Temperature is high heat and they're gonna get cooked for 5 minutes in here. See how amazing they look. They have a very nice color and you can smell all the spices. It is just amazing in my kitchen right now. And one more very important spice that I forgot to show it to you guys is this. This is amchur powder. This is dry mango powder, so this is very important. You want to add this. Dry mango or dry pomegranate powder. So any of these things will work. Even lemon will work if you don't have either of these things. But yeah, this is important. Just give it a mix. And now we are going to add this entire lentil mixture into the pot. Mix it around. Just check if you want any more water or not. For me, I don't want any water right now, so this is good. And now our medium-high heat, let them gonna boil for a good 10 minutes. And then I will show you how they look, the consistency and everything. And then we'll go on from there. Okay, so this has been boiling for last 10 minutes and let's take a look at it. Oh my god, it smells amazing. The moment I open the lid, it looks perfect to me, perfectly cooked. The consistency is amazing. And you can see the veggies, the carrot, the peas. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. So this dish is ready. I'm gonna serve it and I will meet you when I'm doing the taste testing. That will be next. So let's go ahead, let me serve it and we'll do the taste testing then. Okay guys, finally the recipe is ready. Sambar is here in this beautiful white pot and let's do the taste testing. So first of all, you can serve this with anything you want, like rice. You can have it with dosa, idli, vada, and so many other options I made. So let me take a bite of this delicious sambar. And again, let me remind you that the recipe for this dish is in the description box below. There'll be a link. You can go to my website and check it out. So let me sip it and see, because I'm super excited. Oh my god, the flavors, it is absolutely divine, delicious. I mean, I don't know, it is so good. You have to make it, and only then you will understand like why am I behaving like crazy because this is really, really good. So good. And sometimes what I do is, when I don't want to eat rice or dosa or anything, I just take a bowl of sambar, heat it up, and just drink that, like sip it like a soup. And that is exactly how I like the consistency. You can see it's very soupy. I can see the tomatoes, the onion, the peas, carrot. Amazing. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. This was the recipe. I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do subscribe, like, share, and I will see you guys in my next recipes. Until then, bye bye.